How to add stickers to your Discord server using the mobile app. Stickers are a great way to add some fun and personality to your chats. So let's get started. Fun. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in into your account. Next, navigate to the server where you want to add stickers. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the sidebar menu. Then select your server from the list. Once you're in your server, tap on the dots next to the name at the top of the screen. This will open the server settings menu. In the server settings menu, scroll down until you see the stickers option and tap on it. Here you can see any stickers that are already available in your server. To add new stickers, tap the add sticker button, and that's all there is to it. You can successfully add a sticker to your Discord server using this method. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel